Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore commission eligibility checks for Amazon Associates, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore commission eligibility checks for Amazon Associates, start by logging into your Amazon Associates account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Account Settings tab in the top navigation menu. Click on Account Settings to open the related options. Next, locate the Payment section within the Account Settings. Review your current payment method and ensure it is valid and up to date. If necessary, update your payment method by clicking on Edit next to your current payment information. After updating, look for the Tax Information section. Make sure your tax information is accurate and complete. If any changes are needed, click on Edit to provide the necessary details. Now, navigate to the Compliance section of the Account Settings. Review any messages or alerts related to compliance issues. Address any compliance issues as needed by following the provided instructions. Once all updates are complete, return to the dashboard. Check the Performance Reports tab for your commission eligibility status. If your status shows any issues, examine the provided guidelines for resolution. Follow the steps outlined to resolve any outstanding eligibility concerns. Finally, wait for a confirmation email from Amazon regarding your restored eligibility. Patience is important, as it may take some time for the changes to reflect in your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.